So today for math, we're going to keep practicing using a number line to help us compare numbers. Okay, so when we're comparing numbers, we're talking about more, which means that the group has a bigger number, right? When there's so many that there's got little stars or whatever we're comparing that don't have buddies. Then there's fewer, which means there's not as much as the other group. There's less of them, and they all have buddies, and the other group has some left over. And then same would mean that everybody gets a buddy, everybody's happy. Okay, so the worksheet we're going to do today, everybody has it. It's the school supplies worksheet. So if you have it, if you already did it, that's fine. But if you have it, you want to do it with me, go ahead. Or if you want to just watch and then do it on your own, totally fine too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is read the directions. It says, count the items and color in the circle for the item that has more. So first thing we have is, let's count the crayons, because there's crayons in backpacks. So let's count the crayons. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, so there's 2 crayons. So I'm going to mark a little 2 right there, okay? Now let's count the backpacks. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 backpacks, okay? So now we're going to look at our number line. We talked about this yesterday. The number that comes first is fewer, is less, right? Because if I have 2 crayons and you have 3 backpacks, which one is more? Which one comes later down the number line? 3, very good. So the 3 is more than 2 because it comes after it. You keep adding in, there's more. Okay, so then that means that the backpack is more, and we would color in the backpack. Okay, let's try another one. Erase my number line. Okay. All right, so now we're comparing paintbrushes and glue sticks. So let's count the paintbrushes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 5 paintbrushes. And then let's count the glue sticks. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 glue sticks. Okay, so which number comes first on the number line that we've come across? The 3 comes first, so 3 is less. That means 3 is smaller than 5. Now if we keep going, which one comes second? Which one comes last? 5, good. So 5 is more than 3. And we had 5 paintbrushes, so we'll go ahead and color in the paintbrush circle. Okay, erase my number line. All right. Okay, now we have rulers and lunch boxes. Let's count how many rulers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 rulers. Now let's count the lunch boxes. 1, 2, and 2 lunch boxes. So we're comparing the numbers 2 and 5. So the number that comes first is smaller. What number is that? 2. Good. So 2 is less. And then the second number is 5. So 5 is more because it comes further down the number line. So 5 is more, and we had 5 rulers. So which has more? We have more rulers. Good. All right. Let's do the next one. We have pencils and scissors. So let's go ahead and count the pencils first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 pencils. And let's count the scissors. 1, 2, 3. And 3 scissors. Okay, so we're comparing the numbers 3 and 4. So the number that comes first, 3, is less. There's fewer than 4. And then the second number, then the last number that comes, 4, very good. That means 4 is more. And we had 4 pencils, so we color in the pencils. Erase my number line. All right, and let's go ahead and count our last ones. Let's count. Looks like we have a dry erase marker and glue. So let's count the dry erase markers. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3. And then let's count the glues. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're comparing 3 and 4. So the number that comes first is less, so 3 is less. But then the last number that comes, 4, is more. And we had 4 glues, so we'll color in the glues because 4 is more than 3. And this is really hard, and this is a tough stuff, so if you don't get it, that's okay. We're going to do it again tomorrow. We're going to do it all month. Do not worry. All right, great job, my friends.